What up, everybody? This is Amopro coming at you once again, and we're here on fixing of the car. Well, once again, I have this Chevy Avail that has a situation where the window was broken out. So, of course, today what we're going to do is learn how to change the window. Now, I'm going to tell you people this once again. It doesn't really have to be this particular car on trying to fix the window. Is pretty much similar to all cars, as in what I'm saying is the stuff you have to take off. First of all, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver because you have to take out 1 down here, 2, and there's a bolt over there, 3. Do not forget this one, 4, that's inside. It has to be taken out, and we already said this one. And another thing you're going to have to end up eventually taking off is this rubber seal, but that's later. First you have to take this off because it snaps right off. And once we get that off, we'll get started on the window itself. Alright, so let me clean this up a little bit and then we'll get started. Alright. It's a flathead, it's not going to work.
Is it better than the other one?
Okay, all the screws are out. We then took all of them out. Make sure you take this ring off right here. Ring has to come off. And make sure the bolt is out of there. Now afterwards, you're going to have this piece you got to unhook. But you have to take this piece off right there. It's really easy. Lift up and pull. As you see, it has a snap tool on the back. And it has like a little hook on it. So, boom. After that, you should be able to just pull it right off. Now, when you pull it off, oh, it's glass everywhere. Pull it off, as you can see, there's tabs on the back. So just have your pry tool, and then when you pry it off, you're going to have a wire here, which is this one right here. It's still going to be clipped on here, so you're going to have to unsnap it. It's easy. You can use your hand right here on you. Boop, boop. Pop that off real quick. And now we have the plastic. Peel back the plastic. Alright, now we're going to get in here. Get to the track. Now when I get to the track, I'll tell you what you have to do next. Alright? Okay. Okay, here's what it looks like. Now what we're going to have to do is make sure you have your keys, or if you get started and your window's broken or whatever, make sure you can bring this down here, down here, so you can actually bolt everything back up on the track, because the track is gonna have to come down here just so we can get the screwdriver, which is a Phillips, and put it back together. So make sure you keep your key around. Now another thing that's probably gonna have to come out, but we're not gonna take it out yet to see if you have to take it out. Now when we was taking the window apart, we had to take this out the other car. This one, I don't know yet, so we'll find out right now. Okay, here's what you're looking for right here. 2 screws right here after you roll down the window. This is the main part we're going to have to work with when we put it in the window. So let's get started. Okay, make sure you take this bolt out right here. And of course, there's another one right here that must come out. Then you're going to have to take this whole rubber seal out just to make room to get the window in here. This is the main important part too, because with this you have to take this out, which is inside the window, which I can't show you. Can't see. Hold on, let me see if I can turn on some light. Okay, let's see. We can see in there. Okay, you can't see in there. See that black clip? That's what that bolt holds on right there. So you're gonna have to take that out, so that'll fall out, so you're able to put the window back in here. So that's the piece right there from up under. That it is, that's it on top. So let's take this bolt out, which is a 10 millimeter. Make sure you have a 10 millimeter so you can go ahead and get it out of there. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Take it all the way off. All the way off. It should slide out. Oops. Why does this all look so zoomed in? Be able to pull it out. There we go. Free and clear. Now it's gonna have to come off too. figure out the way this comes off. I know it lifts up on one side. You can stand over there if you want. It's mainly about the window. Make sure too you have these 2 clips on the bottom, because you're going to need those to tighten down the window. Alright, couple more going a little crooked, like that. Now you remember that black piece is in there, like I said. We're trying to see if we can get it in there without taking it out. But we might have to take it out to get it in there. Yep, we're gonna have to take it out. So let me get it out of here. Really quick, hand me the socket down there. Piece right there that we're going to have to put back in there. But I've learned, you take it out. Look, window's ready to go. Already fell in. Look, window's in there. Now all we're going to do is go down here, screw those clips onto this, and it should be in the car. Then you just repeat everything you did and putting everything back. All right, looks like it fits. There's your 2 plastic pieces. They hang out on the, as you look, it hangs over, and then the bolt screws in. Hangs over, bolt screws in. Check this one too, see, same thing. But before you do that, we gotta put this rubber seal back in. So don't tighten that up and then try to put the rubber seal. You have to slide the rubber seal down. So let's get that out the way right now. I don't know. Window is officially in, except we still got other stuff we have to do. Remember this part? We have to put it back. The window goes in between there. That's what helps keep the window on track. So all you do is when you put it back in, slide it in, slide it over, and put the bolt back in, which is right here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And there you go. Ta-da! Windows back in. Make sure you don't forget to put this part back on, of course. And your inner part over here. And that's it. Amopro coming at you once again. Peace on fixing of the car.